The maintenance required light on your 2016-2023 Toyota Tacoma signals it's time for scheduled maintenance, often an oil change. Here's how to reset it manually. First, turn the ignition off. Insert the key and turn to the on position, but do not start the engine. Press the trip meter reset button until you see trip A or ODO on the display. Turn the ignition off again. Press and hold the trip meter reset button while turning the ignition back to the on position. Again, do not start the engine. Keep holding the reset button. You'll see Main REQD flash on the display. Continue holding the button until the light turns off completely. This may take 5 to 10 seconds. Once the light is off, the reset is complete. If the manual reset doesn't work, start by double-checking you're following each step precisely. The timing of holding and releasing the reset button is crucial. For 2018-2022 Tacomas, the light might activate prematurely due to sensor issues. Check for recalls and apply firmware updates at your Toyota dealership. The Toyota app, combined with OBD2 adapters like Blue Driver or Torque, offers digital reset capabilities, though manual reset remains the primary method. If the light persists after these attempts, consult a certified mechanic. Remember to only reset the light after completing genuine maintenance to avoid overlooking potential vehicle issues.